Hey everybody, Norm from Tested here, and I wanted to do this project, which is something that we haven't really dove into, which is wargaming. I know a lot of you out there are model makers, kit builders, and some of you even tabletop wargaming enthusiasts. And we were recently clued onto a site, BlackSiteStudio, and these are a couple of guys who design custom sets, custom environments for wargaming purposes, whether it's for post-apocalyptic scenarios, zombie scenarios, commercial buildings. And so I picked up a couple of those, and Sean, Jeremy, and I spent the day putting together this fallout shelter for a tabletop game, which we really enjoyed. They're laser cut sets using glue, but really great fitting. As you can see, a lot of great interior detail. They're all elevated as well, so you can even put lighting and even electronics in them if you want. And it's modular, so the idea is that as you are designing your play space, you can buy and build out whichever of the modules you want, whether it's a hallway, an office space, or even tier it and have it be multiple levels. Super fun. We built that one. But there's another kit that caught my eye. I love the look of this kit here. There's a whole set of post-apocalyptic, worn-down houses that they have on their website. And I had to pick one up because while laser cut kits can look really cool, 2D planar forms put together to make interior buildings, it was so striking to me that all like the broken debris and stuff was all laser cut in. It already looks kind of worn and weathered, and with the kind of burn effect that you get on MDF with the laser cutting, it actually adds to the look of this. So today I'm going to be building what they call the Miller residence, which is a broken down house. It's all flat packed here. It's going to require a bunch of popping out of these MDF sheets, pre-painted of course. I got some CA glue, some kicker, some nippers, and let's get to building. That was super fun. We have ourselves a 2-story house with a basement. Yeah, you can call it a dollhouse, whatever. I had so much fun putting this together, the Miller residence. There's just so much awesome dimensionality to it. It's much more than floors and walls. There's outer walls, inner walls. There's a basement level. And when I flip this all the way around, can see it's completely destroyed on the inside. That's what you get from laser cut kits. You get scoring, you get etching, you get holes in the roof, and there's even scoring that you can create your own distressing. They've scored places where you can break pieces off. There's a staircase inside, and yes, you can go inside because the 3 levels come apart, the roof, the second floor, and the ground floor, because it's supposed to be made for tabletop play, for 28 to 32 millimeter characters. You can put your figures inside and play out your game, and there's just lots of room for customization. This is such a fun kit to put together. I love that it's already pre-painted, and that weather look with the scorching on the laser cutting looks great. And we might even put another paintbrush to this and paint it up even further. There are a bunch of other kits that BlackSiteStudio have put out, different genres, from samurai worlds to fallout shelters to suburbia like this house, and we'll definitely be building more of them in the future. Hope you enjoyed it. It's something I didn't know that existed before, and even though I don't play these wargaming games, I have a lot of fun putting the kits together. We'll see you next time with more projects. I'm Norm. See you then. Bye.